Well, there's our new race truck. Guys, if you saw episode 2 of building a race truck for the Danger Ranger 9000, you would have seen towards the end of the video they changed the rules on us. They wanted a complete dash left in the truck, and at that point we had already gutted it. I still have the dash chilling over here. It's in a million pieces. By the time there's, it's not salvageable. So gonna end up stabbing a tranny into the Plan B truck and rocking this thing. Just got it up in the air, kind of looking at it. It looks like it lived on a farm, definitely on a gravel road, packed with mud. It's probably have to go to the car wash. Big difference between this truck and Ranger Rick. I did notice this truck does have a couple extra leafs in the rear pack. According to the ID tag, this is a 373 limited slip. Ranger Rick was a 373 open diff. I don't know that the limited slip is going to be a huge deal around a circle track, but it is there. This tranny has sometimes first gear, all the time reverse. All other gears are, neutrals. So got the tranny at a Ranger Rick. We'll stab it in this thing. I did find paperwork in the glove box. This rack and steering rack is new back in 2018, so that's kind of a bonus. It still is lacking good ball joints, just like Ranger Rick, so probably going to order some ball joints off Rock Auto. I found complete arms with upper bushings, ball joints already in them for like $40 each for a complete arm, so I'll probably do that on both sides. The lowers look okay, so, but yeah, we're gonna get this thing cleaned up, get a tranny in it, and then gut the interior, just not the dash. So here we go. Second truck. Let's try this again. Well, there's that one. There's the questionable one. Getting ready to stab Ranger Rick's tranny into this guy. Before I do that, I'm going to blow out tranny cooler lines, blow through here, anything go in there, cut a hole in the top of the bottle, let air out, see what kind of junk and stuff comes out. So that stuff is nasty. This thing, it'll get all new fresh fluid. I don't think my duct tape's gonna hold. I think my bottle's gonna fall. I'm gonna throw some more duct tape on that. Let's put the tranny in, and if you're a die-hard Ford Ranger guy, you might know this. I did not know this, but in 2000, that truck was a 4-speed automatic. In 2001, they went to a 5-speed automatic. So the tranny that I pulled out of Rick to put in Plan B will not work. So this is dead to me. So found a tranny on Marketplace about an hour away, waiting for the dude to message me back. Supposedly came in out of a running driving truck. Hopefully that works, because we're going to continue to pursue building this thing. Worst case, we'll go to the local pick and pull and grab what we need. So moved on to getting the seat mounted. We got the main hoop for the cage. Showed up today. Original thought was one hoop, put it, right kind of behind the seat, door bar, and then we were going to go from the top back into the bed with a bar as well to kind of help support it. Wife had an ingenious idea. These bars are only they were $80 on Amazon, and went to order a second one. because the wife had a good idea. Get a second one, put one where we originally planned, and then put another one back there, dual hoop, put stringers between the two, and then it'll be rock solid. So, you know, I don't think these things are super agile. I foresee one of these getting flipped on its lid. You got quite a bit of real estate there for something to get shoehorned in there and flip one of these over. So second hoop isn't going to add a whole lot of weight, but it's going to add a whole lot of strength. So great idea. Apparently she wants me to come home. We'll call it a win-win. So ordered another hoop. It'll be here in 2 days. This one showed up in 2 days. Hopefully Saturday the second hoop will show up. Tomorrow I'm going to go pick up 4 sticks of tubing from the local steel shop for all the door bars and for all the tie-ins, and then for this bar here as well. So gonna try to get the seat knocked out, get the harnesses mounted. Kyle and Jim are gonna work on putting an exhaust on the green weenie, and I think that's about all they're gonna get done tonight. They're waiting on harness, the seat, all that stuff to show up. Hopefully it shows up in the next week so we can get this done. So pretty much got to have all the safety gear buttoned up in the next couple weeks. Shouldn't be an issue with this truck. Biggest issue is going to be finding a tranny to put in it. So I'm going to continue to get this seat mounted, and we'll keep trucking away. Got the seat mounted in there nice and rigid. Got started on the back hoop, got it welded in, and then poking holes in the bed. We'll go from the bed up there, tie into that hoop. The secondary hoop, like we talked about, we're going to do 2 hoops in here. There's going to be pretty much a hoop back here, and another one here, then stringers between them to help a little bit. Window nuts in, should be good to go there. Still need to mount the harnesses. What else? Kyle came down, got all the fluids swapped on this thing. They're working on the exhaust right now, trying to come up with something clever there. And then we're also waiting for a secondary hoop for Kyle's truck, and a seat, and some belts, and a window net, and I think that was it. So we'll continue to mark off stuff as stuff shows up for this. Today I'll continue just finishing up the cage and going from there. So still got plenty to do.